In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Facebook Messenger with HubSpot, a powerful combination that can streamline your communications and improve customer service. Whether you're managing a small business or a large enterprise, having all your messages in one place can save time and enhance productivity. Let's dive in and set this up together. First, you'll want to start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look towards the top navigation bar and find the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Clicking on this will take you to the settings menu, which is the control center for everything you need to customize and manage your HubSpot account. It's where you'll find all the tools necessary for this integration. After clicking the settings icon, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here, you'll need to navigate to the section labeled Inbox and Help Desk. This section is crucial because it manages all your communication channels, making it a natural place to connect Facebook Messenger. Within Inbox and Help Desk, you'll see an option called Inboxes. Click on it to access your inbox settings. Now, ensure that your primary inbox is selected. You can do this by checking the Current View dropdown. If you have multiple inboxes, make sure you're working in the one where you want Facebook Messenger to be integrated. Selecting the correct inbox is important because this is where all your messages will be funneled, keeping your team organized and responsive. Once you've confirmed that you're in the right inbox, it's time to connect Facebook Messenger. Look for the option that says Connect a Channel. This button is your gateway to adding new communication pathways to your inbox. Click on this, and from the list of available channels, select Facebook Messenger. This selection is key as it links your inbox with Facebook Messenger, allowing you to handle all your messages from HubSpot. After selecting Facebook Messenger, you'll be prompted to click Continue with Facebook. This step involves authorizing HubSpot to access your Facebook account, which is necessary for the integration to function. HubSpot will guide you through the authorization process, which is straightforward and secure. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be connected in no time. By integrating Facebook Messenger with HubSpot, you're centralizing your customer interactions, making it easier to respond quickly and efficiently. This integration not only helps you manage conversations, but also allows you to maintain a seamless flow of communication with your audience. Remember, the key to a successful integration is ensuring that you're logged into the correct accounts and following each step carefully. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Facebook Messenger with HubSpot. Now, all your Facebook messages will be accessible through HubSpot, allowing for a more unified and streamlined communication experience. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore HubSpot's help resources. Thanks for watching and happy integrating.